Hell yeah. We're going sea kayaking. Beautiful day. White caps. Sensational. Tide's out.
I can get this map out. I can show you. So the tide's meant to be going up today.
Has it come closer since we've been here?
Yeah, it has.
The chance of not making it. It's going to get up to 20 knots. There's a headwind soon. So yeah, we'll see. It'll be pretty interesting. So yeah, it's decent. I reckon it's about 16, 17 knots. The good news is we are making distance, and once we make it halfway, it'll get easier. Although it'll get windier, but it'll get easier. I think Nick's frothing. Little crossing done. Survived the brutal headwind. Oh, it's a rocky island now. Time to get a bit of a feed, a bit of water, a breather. We just did an hour and 40 minutes without stopping, so pretty good. 5.5 k's or so. Very impressed with these guys. Alright, so the cunning plan is meant to just keep getting windier and windier. It's meant to be about 18 knots in a couple of hours. Minleton just up there is recording 20 knots right now. And coming from there, we're trying to get to that one. So the cunning plan is just to head to the closest part of Wardang, get protection from the sea state, and then up. Hating it and loving it. The yin and yang. It's pretty horrible. I reckon it's 18, easily 18 knots now. It's definitely a grind now. So we forgot paddle parks. Well, he brought one, but he packed it in his boat, so. Now you got to be careful of the rope going into the rudder, so just be aware of that. Well, you got to pick a side, so tow rope's on your right side, so Eliza, you got to paddle on the right hand side of him. Oh no! Yeah, just slowly, do things slowly. There we go. Right now. Alright, now go down again. Yep, good. Now paddle. Let's get out of this crap. 3 hours, 20 minutes. There's the Wardang. You're gonna hide in the wind and then solid. Finally, bit of reprieve from that blistering headwind. It's not quite as good on a beam wind, but pairing up. Oh yeah, Goose. It's always such a nice entrance to the island. Sideways. Woo! Very nice. Another wave. Watch your kayak, Nick's going to hit Eliza. You alright?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Very good. Alright, let's get all three of us to a boat, one at the front, two at the back. Much better. 3, 2, 1.
Holy shit! What the? Surprised if it wasn't strong.
I can't believe you did the back by yourself, Nick. That's unreal.
Yeah, it's like 20 months, put one up.
What do you call it? Spinal bifida. Bifida. Yeah, that's great. How to do the great pilgrimage. It is blowing a bluster out there, hiding nicely in here. But yeah, happy days. What do we got here? Bit of chili con carne. No flavour yet. Look at that burning on the side.
It is not burning. It is not burning.
Yes.
Nothing. I don't know what you're talking
Nah,
about.
that's pretty good. That's
Yeah.
pretty good. Atrocious out there. Sheltered side. Bloody hell. Very slow morning because I'm just struggling with contemplating the idea of getting on that water.
That weird camera yesterday. Does that make sense?
Yeah, it does.
Good, good. You're paying attention. I like that.
Yeah, no, I know.
Jack, you understood?
Yes, mate.
Yes.
Time to enter the fray. Balmy English summer day out here at the beach. Wow. How'd you find that then? Oh really?
Yeah. And then I was like, that's okay. Got all like comfortable. I was like, it's fine. And then
Nice. Well, it shouldn't be any worse than that on the other rest of the coast. We're hoping to go to the east side of Wardang. We've been here at low tide, which normally try and avoid it. It's just tough. Comes. Yes. So happy. So, doing a new tow now. Show them the variable V. We're both equalisingly paddling. Now he's going to get in front. There we go. So yeah, probably our most common type of tow, apart from just a straight tow. So with extremely shallow water and 18 to 20 knot headwinds, just gonna walk to lunch. Oh, a lot easier actually. Doubt we'll be going around the west side today. The west coast is very unlikely, but we're gonna have a wander around and have a look at it just to really nail the coffin.
if we had more time, maybe.
Yeah, no west, all east.
We're gonna go to the east side.
East side is the best.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think sounds like we're leaving it for another day, which is fair enough. But it still feels like 18 to 20 knots out there. So. All right then. The nature of the beast. Hey, back up the east coast. I've never had to turn around before, so it's something new. This is much nicer. The life doesn't actually need to be towed, it's just make the most of that. Bit more like it. 8k an hour. Thought we might just come check out whatever this is. No idea. What we can do is head out, get into the exposure, and then catch all the wind straight back into Goose, just so we get a taste of how rough it is out there on the exposed side. More exciting out here. Probably a good idea we didn't go around the island, just having to be committed to this on the bank. Nice. Yeah, starting to feel more comfortable. But I guess the idea of this is, yeah, just be comfortable with the following sea, catch a wave if you can, and then once you're through, just head on into the beach. Woo, off he goes. Gonna make Malcolm proud, getting everyone involved in the put an esca. I'm not. Pretty nice here on the sun deck. What?
Don't want to sit on the deck.
How do you say? Hold up.
Just get this. Simba.
There we go. Alright, put an esca with a bit of Parmesan cheese. Yeah, looks terrific. Look at that. Alright, time to pack again. This big fellow moved in during the night. He's knackered. Trying to hit an island that's there. It can be very deceptive if you feel like you're going that way, but even now with the wind we might be at risk of missing that island to the north, but we're going facing that way, so yeah. 10k an hour. So I'm going to sit around at 17, 18 knots. As it gets deeper, it's going to start getting a lot bumpier. Woo! Slapped. This port bit, we're sort of heading that way, and then if we gain ground, we'll catch the wind in, which will be wicked. Lots of surfing, I imagine. More of these. Let's go windy again. So we made amazing ground. Got a long way south. So we're gonna surf in now.